Hello, it's been a while. So my name is Ruben. So I'm a data scientist. I'm based in Nairobi, Kenya. So majorly what I'll be doing, be pushing my content through YouTube. And this case, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And also give me a like and a comment. In case you have a question on a video that you'd like me to create relating to data, AI, and the like, I'm here to really help you in this. So today's video is about how to download and install PostgreSQL. In this case, for example, if you need to work with big data, large amount of data, you need a database that will help you to do data manipulation, data querying, data management, data creating, and the like. So this is what I'm going to guide you to how to get this tool that will help you really work very well, compatible with different type of machines and laptops. So let's get started. So this is where to get the link to the video. So you just need to come here to your best web browser. In my case, I'm using Opera, but I also have Chrome and the like. So you just need to type PostgreSQL download. So in this case, it's just PostgreSQL download. Just pick that one, and then the first link that you get in this case is the one that you're supposed to click. This will guide you to go to the next step. So let me just click on it. So it will take you to this page. So this page is all about PostgreSQL. As you can see, PostgreSQL downloads. So it's available for ready-to-use packages or installer for various platforms. Like for example, if you're using Linux, if you're using Mac OS, using Windows, using BSD, Solaris in this case. So in my case, I'm using Windows, but also I believe most of you are using Windows and some are using Mac OS or Linux. So in this case, the next step is just to click for Windows. In my case, I'm using Windows. So click on Windows. It will now open this other page in this case. So what you're able to see is Windows installer. So what you're supposed to do in this case is to just click download installer. Download the installer. So it will take you to this page also. So for this page, you go to the latest, the PostgreSQL version. The latest is 18.4. This is the latest version that we have in this case. So if you're using Linux, you're supposed to click this part. If you're using Linux 86 and that too, this the specs of your laptop, click this one, Mac OS, this one, Windows, this one. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll be clicking this part. So click this button, as you are able to see in that case, and installation should start immediately, as you can see. So just click save, and then when you come here at the part of download, you can see installation or download is starting immediately. So that is the first step. So for my case, I've already downloaded it, but I want us to install together. So I will not be continuing with installation, but you're supposed to install that one. It will take around 359 MB or 360 MB in this case, so it's something that you can do it faster. So I just go back to my downloads. So under my downloads is where I'll get all the downloaded applications. So this is PostgreSQL here, 18.4 for Windows. So I just want to install it now. So I just double clicking on PostgreSQL. So it just take a few minutes to load or to open it. In a second, I just see patiently waiting in this case. So something else I do data science training. So if you're someone who is looking to learn data science, or someone who is looking to be connected to the best school that can offer you data science courses, AI, to become data scientist, to become business analyst, to become AI engineer, something like that, I'm the right person here to guide you to really get those education content or materials in this case. So I'm also offering what we call one-on-one mentorship. So you are someone who is stranded, you don't know where to start, you don't know whether to go to tech, you don't know whether to go to data science, you don't know whether to do data analyst, to become business analyst, to become reporting analyst, all these kind of things. I'm the right person who can guide you on that. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes, I want it to allow to make changes to my machine. So just give it a few seconds in this case. Sorry, I had so many windows opened or tabs opened in this case. So PostgreSQL. So we are now in the process of restoring it. I believe it will take us a few seconds, a few minutes in this case, and this will be a smooth process. So you can see setup in progress. Yeah, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So this would get me like going in this case. So I have a lot of content that I want to create regarding data science, everything for free. And also, if you want one-on-one mentorship, I'm there for you. And also, if you are having a company that need like employees to be equipped with data science knowledge, I'm here to offer that part as a consultation service. So I will be clicking next in this case. So installation directory. So this directory that is like is a default one. So I'll just go with it. Next. So I will be installing this PostgreSQL server pgAdmin 4. So pgAdmin 4 is the one that we'll be using to write codes and the like, stack builder and the command line. They are all selected. Click next. So this is also another directory where the data will be stored. Click next. So in this case, I have to set my password in this case. So you also have to set the password. And this password, you have to make sure you remember it. Don't forget the password. So for my case, I know my password, I will forget it. So I have to type it very well. I repeat the password again. So this is the password that I use most of the time, so I hope I'll be aware of that. We have also the port 5432. This is always the default one, so I'll go with that. Click next. So local is default. Click next. So these are installation that will be installed. Click next. So setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer. I'll click next to installation to start. So the steps are very simple like that, as you can see. So also, if in case you have any question relating or regarding data science, the job opportunity, the job market in Kenya and also in Africa, and also like how AI is really helping us as data people to really become efficient and also be very productive in our workplaces, because currently most of the time you don't even need to really do what we call the coding, because now we have so many tools that can help you to do that, but you must be very good when it comes to prompting, and also majorly you need to understand more about data protection, as how you are going to be securing your data, because now we have AI where you can expose a lot of data to AI, which might also be like security breaches in this case. So you must be aware of these kind of things. This is something also you have to consider at the moment. So those are also courses that I can really link you to the companies offering the courses, like a data protection officer. If you are looking to really learn something like that or start something like that, is something which is very important in this season, like in this season, and also in the coming years. So the installation is taking some time, so we just give it few seconds and few time until the installation is done. Let's proceed. So we are done with the installation, completing the PostgreSQL setup wizard. So finish installing Postgre on your computer, launch stock builder at exit. So let me finish. Yes, done. Please to begin, please select installation of software. So maybe using this one. Let me just see download application list. But at this point you can just select what you want to install from this. You must select at least. So I don't need anything here. So for this one I can just cancel for this one, and I mean I have completed. I don't need to proceed to those next levels. So maybe what I can do is to come here to my search button and I need to search pgAdmin. You can see it is here, so you just need to pin it to my taskbar. pgAdmin, you can be able to see it here, it is pinned. Then I click open it. Just click open the pgAdmin. So that's what we were looking for. So it's a database. It will help you to do data querying, data manipulations, all those kind of simple tasks or simple analysis. It is also easier for you to connect these with Python notebook. So in this case, if you have your data for the company, you are able to connect with PostgreSQL, and then you are able to work with that data in Python, in R, different tools, Tableau, Power BI, those kind of things. So let's just open pgAdmin to just let you see how it will appear in this case. Also, don't forget the password that we entered at the beginning. That's the password we are supposed to continue with at the moment. Yes. So just waiting for pgAdmin to start to get started, then we'll be ready. I'll be ready to proceed with the next step. So after this video, I'll be creating another video on how to do data analysis using PostgreSQL, and then from there I show you how to connect PostgreSQL with R, PostgreSQL Python, and then from there we do a project where we'll do data analysis, and also we do machine learning using Python. In this case, we'll be connected with PostgreSQL with Python, and then we do a machine learning project. Then from there, the next video will be deploying that project, the whole project at the end. We deploy the machine learning model, and then we see if we can be able to use it for industry or business cases in this case. So that is my goal for this YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, click the button subscribe and also like and share in this case. So it's taking time to really open because it's the first time, so you just have to give it time, just have to give it a few seconds or a few moments for it to really configure everything, and then we'll be able to access the platform. And you can see it here, loading pgAdmin to appear like this at the beginning. So what you need to do is to click on server. You click this button on server, then you have to enter the password. Don't forget the password that we used at the beginning when we were setting. Also don't forget to save the password, because all the time you'll be logging in, you'll be required to enter your password, but if you save, it will become easier for you. So it will be looking like this. You can be able to change all the other things like PostgreSQL 18. You can see the databases that are available there. I'll show you how to create a database, how to really get started, how to import your data, and the like. So this is the last part. I hope you enjoyed the video, you have learned something. If you have any questions, don't forget to really leave it in the comment section. Yep, bye.